All right. Hi, everyone. I have two canvases today. So for my colors, I have a whole boatload of colors, which is unlike me. Finally, I have white and black. So all these colors are going to go on one canvas. I don't know what this technique is called. I guess I should look it up because at the end of the day, I have to describe it. And if I don't know how, that sounds pretty lame. So what I did do this time around, I don't typically do it, is I did lightly mist the back of my canvas because I want this to be nice and tight. And I'm going to start pouring heavily on one canvas. Now that the canvas is ready, I am taking the other one and aligning it and just squishing it as tightly as I possibly can. I loved how this turned out, but there was too much paint on the canvas, and I had to tilt. It was so frustrating to have to do it, but I needed to because there was way too much paint on this canvas. At this point, I decided to do a second dip because it was just the two pieces suddenly did not look alike. And I really had a vision of two canvases that had a very similar pour backdrop. And there was enough paint, I felt, where I was going to try to do a second dip. Okay, you guys, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It ties in, but each one has some visual interest of its own. Some cells are shown up to this party, but no silicone was added. Every color has remained distinct, and I think you know what's missing is the phthalo blue. I see hints of it out here. Let's see how this dries, but unbelievably gorgeous. Wait till you see what I do with this. I love the way this one dried. The colors, this was the main one on which I had put the puddles down. The colors, the flow, everything end to end is beautiful. This one, I love the top. This area kind of is not appealing to me, but I am not too concerned about it because I am planning on painting. Okay, so I have this down. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so I need to really concentrate. And as a result, I'm probably going to be into the painting and you can't see anything anyway. So as you can see, the basic figures are there. I need to now shade the face. There's an artist called, it's DIPTYCH, if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. Love him. I love his like flowy way of painting faces. So I'm going to do that. And basically what he does is the abstract face for him is not Picasso, but it's like a shade light, half the face light, half left, just a hint of an eye, lipstick. I need to decide what kind of hair I want to give this couple. So anyway, it's a lot of detail work, so I apologize, but I'm going to have to dig my head into the painting and finish it up. And I will be back with the finished product. I am super excited. I have never tried anything like this, so it's literally just working from the imagination and recognizing the curves of the beautiful curves of the human body. So anyway, so I'm sorry, but I'm going to disconnect right now and be back with the finished product. Thank you. All right, so here is the finished product. I put in the details, abstract details, of course, around the dancing couple, kind of made the movement. I love how still and in the moment they are, and all this chaos in the back. Like, I just feel it captures a moment that only abstracts can capture. Anyhow, so this is the finished product. The bloom, or not the bloom, I'm sorry, I don't even know what it's called. The puddle sticky removal thingy technique worked out perfect for this. I'm thrilled with the product and I can't wait to resin it next.